This is what 10 million subscribers looks like. I got this a couple of years ago from YouTube for hitting 10 million subscribers on my main YouTube channel. The diamond glass actually fell out, but that's a story for another day. Now, I got this a few years ago. Now, if I was to go back in time to when I was getting no views, no subscribers, I had nothing, there's a few things that I would tell myself that I'd do completely different. And I think these lessons will be valuable to you or anybody who wants to be a YouTuber in 2026 and beyond. So I'm going to break down everything that I've learned in this video and share with you some examples. The first thing is your niche of your channel is absolutely everything. Everyone always told me that picking a niche didn't matter much, right? You could just do anything on YouTube. Your niche is everything. It tells YouTube exactly who you are, who to show your videos to, where to put your videos. It tells the algorithm whether you're consistent or all over the place. But here's the biggest thing that nobody tells you is stop making videos that you want to make and actually make videos that people are searching for and actually want to see. To find the overlap between what people actually want to see and the videos that you love making. It's a hard balance, but if you want to be a YouTuber, this is the things you've got to do. And the most important thing is YouTube rewards consistency in a niche above everything else. They love pushing people to the right places at the right time. The second thing that is very important is your titles actually are one of the most, if not the most important part of your YouTube channel. It's the biggest skill you'll ever learn. I wasted my first 2 years, making really great videos that I thought, but nobody watched them because the titles just suck. Arguably, your title is the most important thing you'll ever do as a YouTuber. It's more important than anything you'll edit, anything you'll film, any thumbnail you'll take. Your title is literally there because people have to read that before they even click on your video. And the crazy thing is, a good title will outperform a good video. I know it is the way it is, but that's just the way YouTube actually rewards things in 2026. And I learned that mistake the hard way, so please don't make the same mistake as I did. The next thing is, the first 30 seconds of every single video you make is everything. Literally everything. I don't care if something really good happens in your video at 5 minutes in or 10 minutes in. The first 30 seconds is make or break with every single viewer who comes to your channel. If you mess up the first 30 seconds, it doesn't matter. YouTube don't care. Here's how you can solve that. No introducing yourself. No welcome back to the videos. Just get straight into tell the people who came to the video what they're here for and what they're going to get and deliver it straight away. The next thing is consistency beats talent. Every time. I don't care who you are. If you're consistent, you'll beat someone more talented than you. Facts. I've seen some incredibly talented creators give up at 500 subscribers because they just wasn't consistent. They made some damn amazing videos, but they just give up because they didn't be consistent enough. And I've seen some average creators hit millions of subscribers by just showing up every single day. That's all it takes. YouTube rewards consistency above everything else, and the algorithm needs data. And you're only going to get data when you're producing lots of videos. That is why it's good to make as many videos as you can and learn from those videos. The thing is, you don't need to be the best creator on YouTube. You don't need to be the most talented. You need to be one of the most consistency. Because if you are the most consistent in your niche, that's all you need. For the first half of the year when I started doing YouTube, I thought that thumbnails were the most important. I thought that's everything. Clickbait. I needed to get people to click on it. I needed to spend loads of money on thumbnails. That was a massive mistake of mine. Your thumbnails and title work together as one unit. One without the other is very hard to comprehend. The thumbnail stops people from scrolling. The title makes people click it. If your thumbnail doesn't stop people from scrolling, they're never going to get the opportunity to read the title. So the packaging of your videos is so important. Title and thumbnail together is like a mother and a daughter. You need both together. It has to happen. And the biggest tip here is spend as much time on your thumbnail and title as the actual video itself, because it is that important. By the way, if you want a complete system of how to grow your channel from 0 subscribers and explode into the algorithm, actually get some results for your channel, whether you're getting 0 views or 0 subscribers, or you're just struggling as a mid-tier creator, I put together a full system on my website. And on this website, you'll learn absolutely everything from my 13 years experience, teaching you how I've got billions of views, a clear niche strategy, no more guessing, how to break out from 0, how to monetize properly. And some of my students who've actually done my program have literally got 100,000 views in 12 hours, 14,000 views in 2 weeks on brand new channels. I've helped some of the biggest creators get to where they are today. And you get a full boot camp of telling you exactly how to grow from 0, how to turn views into income, how to build a faceless YouTube channel and grow everything properly on YouTube from day one. You also get my private student community, and you get everything inside that's going to help you explode on YouTube, okay? This is my full system that I've used multiple times on all of my channels, and honestly, just takes things to the next level. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you're interested in joining. It's jamiesmastery.com. The next most important thing is stop making videos for your current audience. Let's say you've got 100 subscribers. This is going to sound really crazy, but you need to stop making videos for them and make videos for the algorithm and the people you want to attract. Because if you've only got a small amount of subscribers, you're going to appreciate them, of course, but they're not the ones who are going to take you to the next level. It feels safe, it feels comfortable, I understand why, but your subscribers already know you, okay? They'll watch anything that you make anyway. So the algorithm loves to show your videos to strangers, and those are the people you want to attract. Every decision you make on YouTube, every title, every thumbnail, every hook, needs to be designed for somebody who's never seen you before. That is how each video should be made, because you're always trying to grow. If you're sitting here with 10 million subscribers, we'll be having a very different conversation. But if you're trying to grow, this is what you need to do. And don't worry if you're thinking, oh, well, my subscribers won't like that. They'll watch it anyway, I promise. The biggest thing to understand is your channel is going to look dead before it takes off. This is normal. You're going to look at your channel and you're going to see no views, no subscribers. You're going to be panicking. Every single creator I've ever spoken to has been through this situation, including myself. You'll post consistently for weeks or months. Nothing's going to happen. The views are low. The subscribers are not coming in. You'll question everything that you're doing on your YouTube channel. This is normal. This is what separates the creators who make it and the creators who don't make it on this platform. And this is where the algorithm's actually working. It's testing to see which creators are consistent, which creators are actually dominating, and where to put the correct videos at the right time. And the crazy thing is you're just one video away. I promise you, as soon as you get one viral video, your whole channel goes into this new algorithm where every single new video seems to do a bit better each time. And it takes one video, just one. Not 10, not 20, one. You can transform your entire YouTube channel. Your job isn't to keep making 100 different videos. Your job is to make each video, each time, hit that viral stage. And like I was saying, it just takes that one time to get to the right audience. Your video will go through the maze and it'll get to where it needs to go. But you just got to be consistent. You've got to be, consistency is key with YouTube. Honestly, it really is. It beats talent, it beats hard work. It is the utmost there possible to make your channel succeed. The next thing I would say is stop copying big YouTubers. I know it's easy to do. I know you feel like that's the right thing to do, but it really isn't. When I started, I did the same. I copied everyone's thumbnails, everyone's titles. I copied their style, their editing. I copied everything, but it didn't work. The reason why it doesn't work is because nobody needs another version of something that already exists. Why would you do that? No, they just go watch the original person. You're actually sabotaging yourself by copying. The thing that actually works most for new YouTubers is you. Your personality, your style, your editing, being your true authentic self. This is what makes or breaks you on YouTube. Nobody else in my journey had my results. Nobody else had my experience, my perspective. That's what makes you you, and that's why it's called YouTube. And the thing is, nobody has yours either. Lead with it, okay? It is your unfair advantage. That is why you need to be yourself. And the last thing I want to talk about is money, okay? Because a lot of people think, oh, I want to make money on YouTube. I want to get loads of views. I want to make loads of money. Okay, everyone starts YouTube thinking about money, and that's the wrong way. You think about ad revenue, brand deals, sponsorships, how can I do this, how can I make money? And I did it too. I thought, look at all these people making loads of money, I want to do that too. I thought about the money. But this is the thing, when you're making YouTube videos, it's about the people watching it, because they make you money. If you think of it the other way around, is, oh, how can I make more money here? That's wrong, because money doesn't make money. People make you money because people watch you, and then that's how you earn money, from people. You need to build an audience who actually trusts you, watch everything that you make, shares your videos with all their friends. You need a trusted community. You need to build that up, and where the views come, the money comes. And how does views come? Trust, generosity, authenticity. This is how you grow on YouTube. And that's the things I've learned from 10 million subscribers. Many years later, all the things I would do differently, I've just shared with you right now. And if you want to know exactly how to grow your channel and get one of these and apply everything that I've just said, you can go to my website, jamiesmastery.com, and learn a bit more. But yeah, I hope this helped. If it did in any way, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And any questions you do have, feel free to let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.